Good day to all my future employer. I'm Edeline Tolentino. I'm 41 years old. I live in Philippines. I'm single mom. I have 3 kids, age of 22, 19, and 13. I'm high school graduate. My working experience is 9 years in Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Qatar, and Abu Dhabi. First, Saudi Arabia, my main duty is cooking, ironing, washing, and also I working in Dubai as a babysitter, age of 12, 10, 7, and newborn baby. My main duties is to take care of the kids and prepare her things, ironing, washing, and cleaning. And also, I working in Qatar as a cooker, cook as basic Arabic food, and sometimes I bake. Also, I working in Abu Dhabi as a babysitter, kids of 1, 2, and newborn baby. My main duties is I wake up early in the morning, I prepare her breakfast, and when I come back on home, I do ironing, cleaning the room, and take care of the newborn baby. I'm hardworking and kind person. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir, for watching my video. I hope you will hire me as your nanny. Thank you and God bless.